NVIDIA Omniverse is a scalable, end-to-end platform enabling all industries to build and operate digital twins for scientific research, infrastructure, product design, architecture, and more. Now, Mercedes-Benz is using Omniverse to optimize new production and assembly facilities. Building a car requires thousands of parts and workers all moving in harmony. Using digital twins created in Omniverse, an assembly line for a new model can be reconfigured in simulation without interrupting current production. Production planners can synchronize plants around the world, enabling over-the-air software updates to manufacturing equipment, streamlining operations while improving quality and efficiency. Mercedes-Benz is preparing to manufacture its new EV platform at its plant in Rastatt, Germany. Operations experts are simulating new production processes in Omniverse, which can be used alongside existing vehicle production. This virtual workflow also allows the automaker to quickly react to supply chain disruptions, reconfiguring the assembly line as needed. Using NVIDIA AI and Omniverse, Mercedes-Benz is building intelligent, sustainable factories that improve efficiency, reduce waste, and continually enhance vehicle quality.